Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your data privacy with DuckDuckGo easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the DuckDuckGo website by typing www.duckduckgo.com in the address bar. Press enter to load the DuckDuckGo homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To start using DuckDuckGo for private searching, locate the search bar in the center. Enter a search term that you're interested in. Press enter or click the search icon to view results. Notice the absence of personalized ads and tracking. To further enhance your privacy, click on the menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, find and select Settings. In the Settings menu, customize your preferences as needed. Pay attention to the Privacy section. Here, you can manage various security features. If you want to enable or disable certain features, explore the options available. For enhanced privacy on your mobile device, download the DuckDuckGo app. Find the app in your device's App Store. Install the app by following the on-screen prompts. Once installed, open the DuckDuckGo app. The app will greet you with an introductory tutorial. Take your time to work through the tutorial for a better understanding of features. As you start using the app, you will notice built-in privacy features are enabled by default. You can adjust settings by tapping on the three horizontal lines icon. From here, explore options like trackers and privacy grade. To further secure your browsing experience, enable DuckDuckGo This will set DuckDuckGo as your default search engine. Regularly review your privacy settings to stay updated. By following these steps, you can enjoy safer browsing and increased data privacy with DuckDuckGo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.